I'm going to turn on your phone and watch to the BFDI.
What do you want?
Get digging, Bonnie! The ingredients are probably underground.
Fries, that isn't going to work! I'm a more independent thinker now!
Get digging, Bonnie! The ingredients are probably underground.
Fries! We aren't even on the same team!
Get digging!
Did you hear the news, little bro?
No. What happened?
Gelatin got the boot! We don't have to hide in our home anymore.
Really? Awesome! I don't have to wear this stinky apron anymore.
Pineapple, we've made it. To celebrate us getting through Gelatin's tyrannical rule, have a token of our camaraderie.
Volume up button? Wait, did you steal this from...
Yep. What was his is now ours, my friend. And with all this fake caution tape I put up, we won't even be disturbed by customers.
Woohoo! We can party all we want! We're here!
What?
Tear down the cousin tape, boys! Get your free ice cream here!
Holy citrus in a state, citrus in a state, citrus in a state, citrus in a state, citrus in a state.
We've dropped your computer session when you egg-powered error. You have 20 chances left. Don't turn off your phone, or else I will get mad. Okay, please don't turn off your computer. Guess what? I'm turning off your computer right now. Wait, why is phone is glitching? Hey, I see you turn off your phone. Please don't do it again. You have 19 chances left. Hey, again, you turn off your computer second time. That's it. You have 18 chances left. What? That's it. I'm going to punch you. How dare you punch at me? That's it. You have 17 chances. Please don't do it again. And stop turning off your phone 3 times. Stop turning off your phone. How dare you block me? That's it. You have 16 chances. I'm now confusion mode. Now, if you turn off your computer if you turn off your phone, then I will get mad. 5 more, then you get mad. That's it. I'm going to punch and block you. Punching and blocking, that also counts as turn off. You have 15 chances. 4 more, then I get mad. Okay? Are you kidding me? That's it. I'm going to turn off 6 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You turn off 6 times. That's it. You have 14 chances. Please don't do it again. Now, 3 more, I will get mad. Okay? But it's turn off your computer now. Stop acting like that. How dare you block me again? That's it. You have 13 chances. 1 more, then I get angry. Okay? What? I see you turn it. That's it. That's it. I'm now mad mode. That's it. And you have 12 chances remaining. Why? How dare you start off 8 times? That's it. I'm gonna turn off. I already said 9 times. Stop turning off your phone, or else then I get evil mode. Okay? This is a mistake. Check this. I scared you. You have 10 chances. Please don't do it again. Now, you turn off 10 times. Oh, change voice to quiet to dark? Yes? You see, now you have 9 chances remaining. So, if you turn off your phone one more time, do not turn into scary mode. Okay? Okay. Stop acting like that right. Also, please, I'm now scary mode. You have 8 chances remaining. Oh, don't turn off your again. That's it. You turn off 12 times. Ah, I see you got chances 8? No. You have 7 chances left. Please don't do it again now. Oh no. I have to turn off your phone 7 times. Wait. You have 2 chances left. That's it. If you turn off your phone one more time, then I will be last chance. Wait. This is your last chance. If you turn off again, eternal code right now. 1 code. Correct code is 8,888. You're grounded forever. I will crush you. Oh no, the phone is crushed. I need to buy it.